Want to chip in with friends on that bulk toilet paper order from Walmart but hate the hassle of iOS? Let's see if the Walmart app can handle splitting the bill. First, make sure you have the Walmart app downloaded and you're logged into your account. If you don't have it, you can find it in your app store. Add all the items you and your friends want to buy to your cart. Be sure to double check that everyone's gotten what they need. Once you're happy with your selections, tap the checkout button at the bottom of your screen. Now, carefully review the checkout options. Look closely at the payment method section. Here's the unfortunate news. The Walmart app itself does not directly offer a split payment option. However, there's still a solution. If you have Google Pay as a payment method, this actually offers a split payment option. You'll need to set it up first. Alternatively, a really easy way to split payment is to complete the order yourself, then use third-party payment apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App to request payments from the people you are sharing with. So, while the Walmart app lacks native split payments, there are definitely some workaround solutions that makes sharing the bill a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more shopping tips.